Hello, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make lentil soup because the weather is cold. I get up this morning. I say, today it's a day the soup day today. And so I use the lentil. This lentil I use. This lentil I use. Now I put in the water. First I wash. I put in the water. Okay, and then I cut this. I put it here. Hey, I put it for wash. I got to wash. I wash a little bit. Okay. And I put in the water. I have water already. And then I put in the water. Okay. And now they gotta cook. You put over there. You put the fiammel. Make it slowly, low. Come nice and easy. So, over here, I used to make a little belly. Then I used to make a little garlic. And I make like little salt. Okay? And now they gotta cook. The time of this cook, I make the soup. Now, the lentil that they done, they're here for cook. Now I gotta make a little soup. So, I have everything prepared. See, everything I have prepared. The onions, tomatoes, celery, carrot, a little parsley and potato. This I used to put in the lentil. So, and this, now I started to make this thing. So let me put olive oil. I put olive oil. About 3 spoons of oil. You see? Now I put oil. Then I put fiammel. And we gotta wet the oil, they already. Then I put the onions. You see, the onions is okay, see? Now you put the tomato. I put the tomato. And let it fry. They gotta fry. And they fry a little bit, the tomato. They break a little bit. Then I put the rest. Look, the tomato, they break now. See? Now the tomato, they fry a little bit, they break. And then I put the celery. This is the celery. See? That's the celery. And then I put the celery, and you can put everything. This is a carrot. I put the carrot. And this is the potato. Now I want to tell you about the potato. When you cut the potato, they gotta stay in the water, otherwise they come black. So that's why I chop the potato, I put in the water, see, like this, they keep a nice color. And I put it here too, everything got together. They gotta cook everything got together. See? I have a parsley. This is a parsley. They go over there. Everything go over there. We gotta make a soup. Everything go over there. Yeah. Now let it fry a little bit, and then we put a little water. So I put a little black pepper. Somebody wants to put, somebody no want. I put a little bit. My family they like a little taste. The black pepper. All right? And now they got to fry maybe a couple of minutes, and we put the water. I have the salt too. I gotta put a little salt. Maybe I put a little bit, then we gotta taste. I put a little bit. And this everything will go in. When they cook, the later they hear, see, not the time of the later cook, this cook. And then when they cook, I put it together with the lid. All right? This is it. So, this is all I make. That's all a vegetable. But I used to cook separate because it's better like this. When they cook separate, the lentil they okay, and we put it together. That's be about 5 minutes. Now they okay. Now look, they all are together, they fry a little bit, and I put the water. Now I put the water. Yeah. I have to do water. You can put approximately, you know. I have more in the linden, I have more water over there. And water over here. Then when we put it together, we see how much you need. You need more, put more water. When we put it together. Now this I have to cook for 20 minutes. The linden and this, about 20 minutes they're done. Bella tu sei qual sole e bianca più della luna e le stelle più belle non sono belle a par di te. Bella tu sei qual sole e bianca più della luna e le stelle più belle non sono belle a par di te. Viva Maria, viva Maria. You know, this song, my daughter-in-law Sola, she loved. And we sing, all the time we sing the Rosario when she's with us. And we sing this song because they say, bella è quel sole, bella come la luna, come il sole. Lei, she thinks it's a song for her. And we sing. All the time we said Rosario, she with us, we sing that song. That's the life. We got to be happy. But we got to cook, you got to eat, you got to be healthy. You got to do everything. You got to move. You got to make exercise. You got to move. You got to walk. You got to do everything. So that's I do now. I make happy everybody, like my children. I make happy everybody. And they love me. I feel they love me. And I do this. So say, okay. The linen they cook. This they cook. See, this they cook now. That's the linen. Now I take it off of this. I take the liver off. I take this off. I take this off. And take this off. And then, now over here, we gotta put the vegetable. The vegetable is done. Look, it's cooked. Everything is cooked. Now I put over there. So I need a little spoon. Let me see. Have this. I shut it off here. I put a little cloves. I gotta put in it. Okay. That's all a mix. I do that way. Let me do that way. Nice, easy. I like this. Nice, easy. Okay. This is nice. This. We don't need any more juice. I was thinking to put more juice, but we don't need. We lot of juice here. See? Now what we gotta do here? Now we cook a little pasta. Somebody wants to cook. Somebody don't want it, can eat it like this. I like the cook a little pasta. My family, they like it that way. I cook half a cup, 1 cup of the pasta I make it here. Just now, we gotta prepare for the pasta. All right, my water boil. Now, I gotta cook the pasta. That's the pasta I use. You can use any one you want, a little pastina. No, you can use what kind you want. I use this. Today I use this. Another day I use another one. You know, I change. So, first of all, let me put a little salt. Like a little salty here. And then I put the pasta. Okay? That's the pasta. You gotta turn. And then this is already, when the pasta is cooked, I put it here. This I leave a slow fiammelle, nice slow fiammelle that keep warm. All right? And it's almost finished. That's it's easy, easy cook. The pasta is cooked. It's cooked now. Now I gotta drain the water. This is it, a little bit of pasta. You can do like this. Okay. And this is it. Lentil soup with the pasta. That's it. Look. Now it's already. And then we put in the dish. All right. This is my soup. Now we heat and we keep warm because it's cold. And I put some here and I taste, okay? Let me see. This is it. This is the soup, you know, this is the juice, like a soup. You want more juice, you put, but that's the regular one. I put a little cheese. You can put a little cheese, how much you want, anyway. And then, we eat, yeah, boy. See? Now I wait for my grandchildren. I make a big pot. When they come, they eat. Okay? So, alla salute. That's good. That's so good. Oh, wow. When you put a little cheese, that's very good. Good. Romagna mia, Romagna bella, tu sei la gioia e sei l'amore, diviene tutto dei nostri cuori. Romagna mia, tu sei l'amore, evviva, finish your, they make you happy. When you cook, you do something, they make you happy, all right? I hope they enjoy the way I make. You can make a different way, a lot of way they make the people, but I use it that way. Somebody like, they try, they make it that way. So I want to say thank you, everybody, to watch. I love you, everybody. I have a lot of people that write to me. They say thank you. They say I love you. I love everybody. Italy, America, all over the world. Okay? I see you next time. Bye. Bye bye.